So when it comes to bottled water production, one thing you need to constantly keep an eye out for is the maintenance of your machines. If you want your machines to last a long period of time, if you want your production to be smooth and without breaks, without repairs, if you want to have like a smooth flowing factory of constant production, this machine needs to be constantly, when I say constantly, that's on a regular basis, it needs to be checked on. Because this machine, the monoblock machine, has three different sections. It has the washing, the filling, and the capping section. Also down, in short, let me include down to the conveying section where we have our bottles water conveyed before packaging. We all have different units in this machine. So such machine requires constant checkup. Like for example, one place where we have to constantly monitor is our filling nozzles here. These filling nozzles at times get jammed, maybe due to weak springs and so on. Also the capping side too, you can see it oiled. This is one of like the routine things that we have to do for this machine. We have to constantly grease it and oil it so that the bottles don't jam and the machines don't get rusted. All these parts are made of steel and metal, so it is important that you constantly oil the machine to make sure that you don't have sudden challenges or sudden issues arising in the factory. Maybe when you're expecting to have your bottled water produced and packaged, if you are working with time like we do here in our factory, before you say you package, you are having issues with your monoblock machine, it will really affect your business. So it is important that these machines are constantly oiled, maintained, and checked. You can even make it on a monthly basis. It will save you a lot. you know it costs you less to maintain the machine, and it costs you more to repair it. So one advice I'll be leaving with you guys is, if you have this monoblock machine, constantly check on it and make sure that the staff and people who are working with these machines are educated and they are made to know how to use this machine.